We just hit 17.
17 is crazy.
It could end up really badly, but
150 spins. You're at 44. I'm gonna guess. Go 100. I'm gonna do 79. You think 100? Yeah.
there we go. Come on.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah, wild. Not amazing. $8. I think we can get the other dudes too. I'm not entirely sure.
I think they could pop so.
Really catchy song.
I know, I'm grooving and grooving.
Come on,
That's gotta be good.
do it.
This is pretty bad.
The worst
okay.
free games ever, bro. Oh, here we go.
You
Wild.
got 8 left. That's
There,
gotta
yeah, decent. $8 and one. 17.
be getting up there.
John Hancock. You must not be able to unlock the other ones. Come on. Do it.
Hey, you got this. Yeah, I guess you can. That's kind of lame.
Oops.
Well, that was fun.
Hold up.
Hey, did he get it? Oh. Is it your, you want one more. Hey, last one, man.
Last spin magic. That's
It's actually not. It's probably like $5.
$22. We'll take it.